In this segment, we'll talk about the AV switcher and extended desktop settings. At the teacher station desk, you'll have a HDMI switcher to allow you to switch between your PC and auxiliary HDMI sources. There's a power button on this switcher. It will be blue when the unit is on. Red will indicate that the unit is off. There's an input button to the right of the power button that will allow you to select between available inputs. You'll notice your switcher will be labeled with PC and aux HDMI. Select the input button to toggle between the inputs. We've left you with a 10-foot HDMI cable to use as the aux HDMI, and your PC will be wired directly to the switcher as well. Managing extended desktop. Now that your computer is directly connected to the projector and a local monitor, use Windows and the P key to switch between modes. Hold down the Windows key as you press the P key to switch between duplicate, extended, and second screen only mode.
All right, here you can see I can toggle between my available displays by pressing the Windows key and the P button on the keyboard, where you can toggle through the different settings. Just hold the Windows key down and press P. It'll switch to a different available option. Duplicate on both my local screen and the projector on my local monitor.
If using PowerPoint software, you'll notice that when you select slideshow, it will automatically extend your desktop. Your local screen will show you the PowerPoint controls, while the main screen shows the presentation. Use the Display Settings tab to switch between modes. Use the Escape key to cancel out of the PowerPoint.
All right, so this is a quick example of a default setting in PowerPoint. So if I open a PowerPoint slide up, it's going to show on my local monitor. When you go to hit slideshow and play from the beginning, what you'll notice is it will automatically put your computer in extended mode. So now that on the projector, you'll be seeing the slide full screen, and on the local machine, you will see the previews for this. To adjust this, you can go to your display settings and select duplicate slideshow. So this will show it on both. Or you can swap the presenter and slideshow view. This is just something that needs to be considered when operating a PowerPoint slide. It will automatically send your laptop into extended mode. If I end the slideshow, it may still keep you in extended mode. And if you do not want to be in extended mode, you just want to do a Windows P
to put it back in duplicate mode.